In today's video, I'm going to discuss this architectural layout plan with you all. This was one of the projects that we did few years back, and it was actually a farmhouse. Hi everyone, I'm Naseema Khatoon. I'm an architect and interior designer. And here on this channel, I share a lot of practical videos related to architecture, floor plan, interior design tips. So consider subscribing if you like my video and go through other videos as well. You will find it helpful if you're planning your own house or if you want to learn about design. Also, I want to add that we review architectural floor plan for free on our channel. So if you have any floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us. The link is in the description. Now let's discuss the floor plan. This was the land. It is going like this, then it's going like this as well. So the client wanted to have a house here with some commercial area at the front and some dedicated area for the marriage hall. So the client wanted this area to be his house so that he can cover the zone with some barricader, and this area is dedicated for parties and for other stuff. So I'm going to discuss this floor plan with you all. I'm going to share what was the client's requirement and how we designed the space. The client's major requirement was to have 4 bedrooms, 2 at the lower level and 2 at the above level with attached washrooms, 1 decent sized drawing room and 1 kitchen. Now this was the floor plan that we created. So this is your main entry. At the main entrance we are having a staircase which is going to the above level. See, a space like this demands a powder washroom, so we created a very small powder washroom over here. And this is the drawing room. This is the formal sitting area, you can say. And we have also created one deck overlooking the pool. This was the pool. Here this side we created a small kitchen, and this was the dining area. Right in front of the kitchen we created a courtyard like this with a seating area over here which is also overlooking the water body for an amazing experience over here. This was bedroom 1 with attached toilet, and this was the balcony. This was bedroom 2. The wardrobes were here. See, whenever I design, I always dedicate the wardrobe because eventually you're going to place your furniture. So any layout without furniture is vague because you should know where your piece of furniture is going to be. This was the initial sketch that we shared with the client, but the client wanted to squeeze the area. It was somewhere around 1800 square feet, but the client wanted the area between 1100 to 1200. So we had to squeeze this layout plan. So let's see the other option that we created for this. This was the another option that we created after reducing the area. Now what are we having here? This is your main entry. This is a foyer area. Your staircase is going above like this. Now your drawing room is over here with a very good window over here, and this would be the focal wall. This is the balcony connecting the drawing room overlooking the water body. At this side we were having a kitchen. This is a very decent sized kitchen, and the dining was shifted outside, and this deck is also overlooking the water body. Now the bedroom 1 is over here with wardrobe. This is the washroom for this, and for this room we actually removed the washroom and created one common washroom over here which was acting like a powder washroom as well. And this was the balcony connecting with this bedroom, and we were having a window for this bedroom. So this was the ground floor that we created, which was approved by the client, and the area was somewhere around 1200 square feet. This was the first floor that we created. This is my staircase. This is my lounge area. This is the TV wall. We created a pantry unit over here. This is bedroom 1 on this level with wardrobe over here, and this is the washroom, and this was one very good terrace for this bedroom. This balcony is over here. This is bedroom 2 with wardrobe over here, and this is the attached washroom with this bedroom, and this is the balcony. So this was the architectural layout plan that we created for this farmhouse, and it was finally approved. In this layout, I can see few mistakes in the placement of doors and windows that I will never do today. Well, let's see those now. Now in this bedroom I created a window over here which is actually creating a symmetrical look. So once you enter, this is your focal wall and your windows are creating symmetry. But I have not created a breathing space over here. So by not creating a breathing space can create an unfinished look at the time of finishing. So at the time of planning, what I would have done, 4.5 inches wall over here and 4.5 inches wall over here, and then I would have created my window. So while standing, this would have given the balanced look, but also finishing would have been better. In this washroom, I'm saying I've created a wash basin over here. Obviously this is one standard layout, but today I would have placed it like this. So this is my wash basin and my WC is over here. I'm getting a bigger wall for the vanity, and this is my shower area. In spite of creating a window over here, I would have created a door. So it is already having a window here. So creating a door like this would have given this room a balcony too. Obviously in washrooms I have missed the niches. So niches would have been added wherever possible as per space. So this depends in the design, but I would have added niches in the layout too. Now this is my first floor. This is the lounge area, which is actually fine, but the TV unit wall is like this only. See, it is already having a decent window over here. So what I would have done, I would have created this as complete TV wall, and then window would have been like this at the center or here, but this window would have gone. Now in this bedroom, this is fine, but the breathing space is missing, like I have told you, the ground floor level, so I would have added it over here. Niches in the washrooms is also missing, maybe over here or here. In this bedroom, this is the door. Your wardrobe is over here, 4 inches wall. The TV unit is not matching with the center. I think the TV unit should be at the center, but this can be worked at the time of working stage. So this was not the issue, but breathing space over here and here as well. In this washroom, I would have done like this. So this door was here, and this is the wash basin, and this is the WC, and now this is the shower cubicle. And at the ground floor, I was seeing that I created an outdoor seating area over here. So this balcony would have extended like this, creating a terrace so that they can have a comfortable seating zone at the ground level. And also in the pantry, what I see, I created a window over here. So the space of creating a platform like this would not have been so comfortable. So this is my platform. So I would have created my window over here so that an overhead cabinet can easily be made on this wall. So this would have been my pantry with window over here, and this is the overhead cabinet. See, further fine tuning will be done once you start working in the layout. But these are the major changes I would have done today. Let me know in the comment section how you found the architectural layout plan. That's all for today. See, again I want to add that we review architectural floor plan for free on our channel. So if you have any floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.